Hello guys, welcome back to Lineup. For today's video, we're going to show you how to buy crypto from CoinMarketCap. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So in this case, you might be wondering how to exactly do so here. Now, there are a few things that you need to understand here on how the CoinMarketCap platform actually works. So CoinMarketCap here allows you to basically monitor what's currently happening right now in the crypto space. Now, meaning you can basically see what's currently happening right for BTC, Ethereum, and a lot more. Now, you also have the option to view or add your portfolio, which in this case allows you to basically add different accounts like your wallets here, your Binance account, your OKX account here, which in this case enables you, or this platform or CoinMarketCap allows you to basically have all of your accounts here connected in one space and start basically monitoring them in your account here. But the thing with this one is you aren't able to buy crypto directly on the CoinMarketCap platform. So in this case, CoinMarketCap is just, think of it just like a book. So you can refer or view what's currently happening right now, but you won't be able to change anything here. You won't be able to buy crypto. Now, if you want to add, like for example, you want to buy crypto here and you want to add that into your Binance account that you've added here or your portfolio here, as you can see, you can add your Binance account here. What you need to do is you need to go to that specific account and buy it via that way. So if you want to buy it through CoinMarketCap, well, the short answer to that, it's not possible. Now, if you want to buy crypto directly to your wallet, well, you need to access that wallet and buy it from your wallet itself and not through CoinMarket. But yeah, so the simple and short answer to that is you won't be able to buy crypto on CoinMarketCap. You need to go through the actual platform or Binance or your wallet that you've added here in order for you to start buying crypto. But yeah, so there's nothing much that we can do about this one. It's just the main functionality here for CoinMarketCap. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Lineup. Thank you for watching.